Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your feed in the Sololearn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three dots at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button. And at the settings section, click on the activity feed button. And here you can customize your feed and just choose what you want to see on your profile. So you can choose profile updates, questions, answers, codes, courses, lessons, challenges, lesson comments, code comments, posts, and code coach. So just enable, you can enable all of these, but you can just choose whichever you want by clicking on the white circle. And once they turn green, the functions are enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.